My dear friends, would you like to hear stories? Yes or no? Okay, so I would like to call Jia Singh to tell you a beautiful story of Navratri. Jai Hind everyone. My name is Jia, that's J-I-Y-A. Let's go on a fun adventure to India to celebrate Navratri with Maya, Neil and Chintu. Navratri means 9 nights because it's a festival that is celebrated for 9 nights and it is celebrated in many different ways all over the country. Oh look, that's Maya and Neil. They lived in Chicago with their pet krill Chintu. They love to go on one adventure to India. They just landed in a place called Gujarat in India to celebrate Navratri. Maya and Neil go to their uncle and aunt place. Uncle and aunt in Gujarat are called Kaka and Kaki. Let's say together. Kaka, Kaki. Let's say together.
Say all of you Kaka Kaki, huh?
Kaka and Kaki. One more time. Kaka and Kaki. That little girl in the picture is Niral and her grandma is called Ba. In Gujarat, they celebrate to goddess Amba. Do you see that beautiful lamp that Kaki is lighting? It's called the Garbo lamp. Let's sit together. Garbo. One more time. Garbo. You light that lamp to pray to goddess Amba. Some people believe that by lighting that lamp, goddess Amba will keep them safe from all the evil in the world. You also light that lamp to pray to show that we all have power inside the bird. I wonder what Ba is cooking. The lots of yummy smells and sound crackers bird. She's making something which is called dalia. What is broken meat? And she's mixing it up with coconuts and almond. What is a chop? It's called lapsi, and lapsi is a special dish that you make for Navratri. All other yummy treats in the picture are chakli, papad and dhokla. Do you see everybody dancing around the Garbo lamp? This dance is a special dance and it's called Garba. Let's say it together. Garba. One more time. Garba. Next day, they go for shopping for some new Navratri clothes. Do you see that outfit in Maya's hand? That is called chania and choli. The skirt is called chania and the top is called choli. Let's say it together. Chania, choli. One more time. Chania, choli. And do you see the outfit in Neil's hand? That is called kedia and dhoti. Kedia are the shirts and dhoti are the pants. Let's say together. Kedia, dhoti. One more time. Kedia, dhoti. Oh wow, look at everybody dancing at night in a big circle. This dance is a special dance and it's called Dandiya. Let's say together. Dandiya. One more time. Dandiya. And two fans have joined that tube. A girl named Lata and a boy named Pranay. Soon everybody joins in the dance. The good clap sounds of the sticks fills off the air. Keep like twirling and spinning and jumping and laughing. They dance for hours. After dancing of hours, they decided to take a break and check out the other festivities at the celebrations. Do you see the 9 nights of Navratri are done, but the 10th day is a very special day and it's called DUSSEHRA. Let's say it together. DUSSEHRA. One more time. DUSSEHRA. Do you see some Vishan hands? There's a very special play going on the stage and that's what Maya, Neil and Chintu are watching. This play is called Ram Leela. Let's find out more. Once upon a time, there was an evil king named Ravan. Ravan had 10 hats. Now in the forest, there lived King Ram with his queen Sita. Ravan just offers old man and begs for food. When Sita comes out to give him food, he takes her away. King Ram was very brave. He rushes to Ravan's house and they fight. Ram wins and he brings Sita back home with him. Thank you.
Jia.
Yes, come on this stage.
Abhi, now,
Hold on. Jia, Jia is in which class? Who taught you this? Come here. Come near the mic. Who taught you this?
Sir Anamika ma'am.
And you could learn. She's a wonder girl. I'm impressed. You're beyond comparison. And Vishaka, you too, beta, the way you are conducting the assembly, I'm deeply touched. Huh? From my side, you are the next year head girl strong contender.